Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Please check out the description box for all the nice links. Also drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. We were working on the sword class in the last video, and we were working on basically all these other item classes and stuff. And I just want to make sure that it's all working nice and fine. I actually remembered I was gonna do one more thing before I started with the item things, and I didn't do it. So I was thinking maybe I should start off by just doing that first, and then we'll get back to the items soon. And I'll show you just in a minute what that's gonna be. But all right, so the sword class is here. It's rendering. Everything's fine. We can't really attack yet, but that's cool. That's cool. All right, so we have everything set up. We don't need to worry too much about this right now, just at this moment. What I want to add to the game is actually a component. So I want to add, let's see, add a new class. And this is actually going to be called a skill component. Okay, skill component. And it's going to have no base class, I think. All right, virtual destructor skill component. And this is basically going to be just a list of skills for a character or any entity. And it's going to hold these skills. And we can call the, or we can get these out, these skills. And we can level them. We can do whatever we want with them, basically. And use them when we're attacking or taking damage, defense, whatever we want. So it's gonna be a cool little thing we can use. Basically just like Tibia in these games, right? RuneScape, where you have these skills you slowly level up, and they they just kind of level up by themselves. So we're gonna have a little private class in here as well. We're gonna call it class skill. Okay. And like this. All right. Public. I'll just have public in here. Like that. And the reason for this is that having skills like this will let me level these up individually. So they're all going to have their own EXP, EXP next, all that stuff. And they're all going to level up basically. Individually. Excuse me. So there you go. And I'm going to do a skill destructor as well. Now you can do the equal default if you want, all that stuff, but I'm just gonna do it like this. And we're just gonna leave this empty just for now. I'm just gonna make sure everything else is cool before I start. Let me just turn on that. There we go. Okay. So once those are good, I'm gonna do the if not defined thingy. So I'm just gonna copy that, I think, from one of these. Like that. H. Okay, define, and then the regular and if like that. Obviously you don't need this comment, but it's just to say which one is being ended. So there we go. All right, skill component, we're good. But to figure out the basic, let's just put it all in component as well, like that. And then let's go into entities, entity.h, and we're gonna include it here. So include skill component, class skill component. And then we're going to have a skill component pointer. Skill component. Very nice, very nice. All right, once that's defined right there, we're going to initialize it. Also delete it. Delete this skill component. And then this skill component equals null. Very nice, no problems. no problems. Now an entity is supposed to be able to create its own skill component right here. So I'm just going to create a function for that. Void create skill component. Alright, just empty for now. Doesn't matter. I hope I spelled component right. Otherwise, if you notice anything weird, just tell me in the comments, if you will. Okay, create skill component. There we go. This skill component, go to new skill component. Very easy, very simple. And that's probably how it's going to be. I don't think we need to kind of give it anything, really. We could, when we load from file, we might have to set all the skills. So, but we'll let the skill component take care of that. Maybe we can send in an array of all the skills or something, and it will just easily set it for us. Or we could have skills saved in a separate file, or I don't know, something like that. We'll figure it out. But for now, it's all good. Now, skills. Here we go. What is up with a skill? Okay. Each skill is obviously going to need a level. So int level, int exp, int exp next. Okay. Very simple. Very good, very good. And it also needs a value, int value. So what value it has, I guess, but that would be the level, wouldn't it? That would be the level. Yeah, that would be the level. That is good. All right, so we just level up a skill, right? We just level up a skill. Now, we might not need a name because the what do you call it? The array that it contains the skill might remember the array. The skill component will remember the name of the skill, right? We'll just say skill, strength skill, skill, health skill, whatever we want. So there we go. And then we might need a void update, like this. Okay. Like that. That is good. Void. And basically the update for that is just gonna check if the exp is larger than exp next and all that stuff. But first, just let's set all these to this level equals 1. This exp equals 0. This exp equals. So I'm wondering how I'm gonna do this. Are all skills gonna have the same kind of leveling thingy going on? Exp next equals, we'll just say 100. Doesn't matter. We'll just say 100 for now, and then we'll figure that out as we go. All right? So if this exp is larger or equal to this exp next, this level, we'll just say while, because you never know, some crazy might happen. This exp equals next equals this level multiplied by 100. So 100, this level multiplied by 2 plus this level. Something like that might be cool, right? That will be nice. That kind of goes, yeah, that kind of goes upwards. Let's see if we can do a little pow2. If we remove that, and then we say std pow this level 2, like that. So level to the power 2 plus level times 10 plus level times 2 plus level. We could do that. We could just remove the last one here. We don't need that. That's cool. Okay, okay. That is nice. That is nice. Now the EXP itself, I don't know if I want to set that to 0 actually. I might want to do that in this case. This EXP equals. We might do that. Okay. Very nice. So that is good. Now we might need some accessors and stuff. So functions and then accessors. Here we go. Now we obviously want to be able to get a const int reference of the level itself. Get level. Or wait, those are all, yeah, those are in public. All right, cool, cool. All right, yes, that's all good. There we go. And we'll just call this inline, since we're just gonna do it really quick in a line like this. Boom. Return this level. Let's keep going. Get exp. Exp. See how simple that is? No problems, right? Easy peasy. All of this is really easy peasy. We might need that as well. You never know, right? You don't want to sit there and be like, man, I wish I had made this. Then you'd have to go all the way into this file and make this again and blah, blah, blah. So we're good. We'll just make it right now. No problems. Boom. Good to go. And then we can just update that function. Okay. All right. So that's accessors. And then we want getters and setters, modifiers. And I'm actually going to have it as a function to void gain exp const int exp inline, and then we're just going to say this exp plus equals exp. I wonder if this should be in its own function. You know what? I'm just going to do that. Void update level. Okay. Very simple. And then I'm just going to do this in here instead. And then the regular update can be something else. But that's going to be update level. So we can just, as soon as we call that, we're just going to say this update level. Now, I don't like that actually. I do not like that. So we're just going to remove the inline. And we're going to do this. Okay, that's better. So every time we gain EXP, we're going to update the level. So we're going to check it and make sure it's fine. Also, we might need a level cap if we want. Int level cap. And let's just set that to this level cap equals 99 or equals let's see. When we create a skill, might just set that to 99 for now. But you know, eventually I don't want there to be a level cap on skills, but there are skills that might require that, right? Like accuracy and stuff like that. You might need to have a level cap there, because once you reach 100% accuracy, obviously you won't be able to level that anymore. So that is pretty much what I want. But that's not gonna happen, you know. Actually, that's not gonna happen. Anyway, we'll keep it at 99 for now. Never mind. It's all good. While okay, man. Okay, if this level is less than this level cap, we shall be able to update the level. But the thing is, we don't want this to happen. Okay, first of all, we don't want this to happen at all. The whole while loop thingy. If we are, you know, already leveled up to the cap. But also in here, in the while loop, if we're kind of leveling here and we go over that level, so we don't want it to keep going. So in the while loop, we're going to keep checking it as well. So we have two places we're checking it. And that's good. That's good. That's good. I think that's fine. Once that's done, we update the level. All right, we update the level. And we're going to modify stuff, right? So gain EXP, we're getting stuff. Then we're going to have a void set level. Constant level. This level equals level. All right, we can just copy this basically. We want to be able to modify mostly everything. Void set level cap. Level cap. This level cap equals level cap. Boom. Now maybe set EXP and EXP next. You know, we'll leave that alone. That'll be fine. That should be fine. And then we can gain EXP. Also lose EXP. Let's create a function for that. Lose EXP. EXP minus equals EXP. Okay. If you would die, right? If you would die. Now, if we're updating the level, lose EXP. Update level. We could. You know what we could do? We could do a const bool true. So, but if we set this to false, if up, so basically what I want to do, I want to be able to level it down as well, right? And if up, we're just going to do this. Else, we might need a comment for this function as well. But, you know, basically what I'm going to do, I'm just take this, paste it in here. If this level is greater than 0, don't forget this. If this level is greater than 0, blah, blah, blah. While EXP while EXP is less than 0, so basically we're going to go into negative EXP, right? So while it's less than 0, okay, we're just going to say level minus minus, and then we'll keep going from there. We're not going to set that to 0 there, actually. And then it's going to recalculate the EXP next for us, so we can level down our level. You know, this doesn't make any sense. I'm sorry about that. Remove the XP equals 0 right there. Remove that. So that should be good. All right. You know what we could do? This EXP minus equals this EXP next. Or never mind. Just leave it. Just leave it. There we go. All right. So that's good. If up, else. So basically what we're doing, I'll just make a simple comment. If you want to make one of these, you can. I could actually make one of these for you just now. Wait, how do you make those again? I think it's 2 of these. Like that. Some like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. What does it do? It levels, no, increases or decreases the level of the skill depending on if a is a deficit in the EXP or not. Okay, kind of something like that. You can make your own nice little comment, and then you can put in the parameters and everything like we usually do. And okay, all right. So our skill inner class is pretty much done. I'm gonna have to end the video here, but hopefully you learned something from that. Now we're gonna make a bunch of skills, and we're gonna put them in the component. So what you can do is you can just kind of minimize the inner class skill, and then we can in here create a bunch of skills that we want in the skill component, and then we can kind of play around with them as we want. Okay, but there you go, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thanks for staying and watching. Hopefully you learned something. Check out the description box, all that stuff. Also drop a like, subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. All right, bye bye.